Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about very important drug that is acetylcysteine. In the winter season, we all are suffered by cough and cold. Acetylcysteine is a mucolytic drug. It expels the mucus or cough from the airway tract. It is available in the market in the brand name like Mucinex 200 milligram and 600 milligram tablet fluimucil 200 milligram and 600 milligram. Now regarding its direction for the use, mucinex tablet is given one tablet twice or thrice daily in a 1 glass of water for the 5 or 7 days according to the severity of the cough.